Hi everyone, welcome back to my page. This is another new head wrap, sego with bow at the front. So this is very easy and very simple. I started by folding the sego into two before I'll place it on my head. So when I place it on my head, the measurement I'll be going with is 50-50. So both sides are equal. This is how I'm going to measure 50-50. Okay, so after measuring it now, I'll arrange it very well on my head, then take the remaining to the back and cross it. Okay, so I'm going to be crossing it. After crossing it, I'll arrange the back and take the remaining again to the front. So once I bring it here to the front, see what I'm going to do with one side of the 50. So I'm going to open it. After opening it, I will fold in the edge one side, then fold the other side too, then arrange it. Okay, so once I'm done arranging, I will keep one side first, then repeat the same thing in this other side. Open it up, fold the edge in that side, then do the same thing in the other side, then arrange it. So after arranging it, I'll take it up. So I'm taking it up now. As you can see, I will hold it here, then bring the other side to up. Okay, so once I hold both sides now, the next thing is to knot it here at the center. I'm going to knot it just once. So once I'm done, this one that is facing front here, that's the front, I'm going to arrange it. So I'll fold the edges in, then I'll take it up. That is to see how it's going to be when I take it up to form the bow. So this one at the back here, remember when I started, I folded into two. Don't open that one, just continue the way it is. So at the middle here, I'm going to be pleating it down. Once I pleat it to the end, the one at the front here, I will take it up, then tuck it in. Make sure you bring it out. Bring it out very well. Okay, everything, make sure you bring everything out. Okay, so this is what came out. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take it up, then I will secure with a pin. So I'm securing now with a pin. Make sure you secure it very well. Okay, so this one at this front here that is showing or shooting out, I'm going to secure that one too with a pin. So once I'm done securing, the next thing I'm going to do now is to form the bow. You can see everything came out well. Is to form this bow now. I'm going to pin it down. You can pin it twice to be sure. Okay, so I'm done with that side. The next thing now is this side. This side now, the edge is open, so I have to secure with a pin first before pinning it down. Okay, then after I'll come back and arrange it later. So I'm taking this side down to secure with a pin. I'll arrange it first, then secure. So once I secure with a pin now, the next thing I'm going to do, you can see the edge now is not equal. So I have to remove this pin, arrange it so that it will be equal before I'll replace the pin back. You can see the outcome of it. I am done. It is very easy and very simple. Just follow the steps and also practice so they can be able to tie it by yourself. So write it at the comment section how you see the head wrap. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.